Hi everyone. As autumn wraps up, our fall drink series also comes to a close. With the holiday season approaching, we're excited to bring you a warm and cozy peppermint hot cocoa, perfect for the chilly weather. One sip and you'll be saying, "Let it snow." Hot chocolate's best enjoyed with a friend, so we're sharing a recipe made for two. Let's dive right in.
You'll need milk, dark chocolate, peppermint extract, and white sugar. For toppings, we'll be adding crushed peppermint, festive sprinkles, marshmallows, candy canes, and whipped cream. Begin by placing a pot over medium heat. Add 2 cups of your milk of choice to the pot and stir occasionally until it's warm.
I'm using my favorite, oat milk.
You don't need to bring the milk to a boil, just heat it enough to melt the chocolate and sugar. This should take about 5 minutes. Once warm, add 2/3 of a cup of chocolate and stir until melted. When your mixture has turned a beautiful chocolate color, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. When everything is fully combined, taste the hot chocolate to see if it's sweet enough. Ours is just right, but if you'd like for it to be sweeter, you can add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. Next, remove the pot from the heat and add 1/8 of a teaspoon of peppermint extract to the mixture. Mix the peppermint extract into the hot chocolate. Let the hot chocolate cool off a bit and transfer the delicious mixture into 2 glasses. Finally, to top it off, add whipped cream, marshmallows, a generous amount of crushed peppermint, a touch of festive sprinkles, and a candy cane.
And now we're all done. In just a few simple steps, you've created a flavorful, warm, cozy peppermint hot chocolate.
Thank you so much for joining us for our fall drink series. We hope you've had as much fun as we did creating these tasty drinks. Be sure to follow us on our social media accounts linked below and stay tuned for more magical content. Happy holidays!